How to fix ROBLOX Shift Lock not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if you do not have that, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Then go to your Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the ROBLOX application on your device. So as you can see, I have the updated version of the application on my device. So I'm gonna go back and then make a long press on ROBLOX application over here. So just tap on app info and then it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and you'll be able to clear cache as well as your data if it's more convenient for you. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options such as your camera, contacts, files and media, and microphone. Right now it's disabled in mine, but you have to enable this option. After that, what you can do is just tap on the power button and restart your device, and this might solve the issue as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.